Hi friends! Today we are going to listen to the story, A Little Spot Learns Online. Who else is learning online? I think it's you! A little spot learns online. Remember, if you put your thumb out and your pinky and you go like this, that means me too. You are learning online just like Little Spot. Say me too. This is sign language for me too. All right. Hi, my name is Spot. I hear you are going to start learning online and I am here to help. That's great. Learning online is new for us, so any tips would be helpful. Absolutely! Learning virtually or online is like learning at school, but it just feels a little different. Instead of learning in a physical classroom at school, you will be learning on a computer in a virtual classroom at home. You will see your teacher and all the kids in your class, and they will be able to see you too. So you definitely don't want to be in your pajamas. Joining a virtual class is like going to school, so you should wear something comfortable and appropriate, like a school outfit. This will help you get your mind ready to learn and help you stay on schedule too. Eat before you join your class online. You don't want a grumbling stomach when you're trying to learn. Eating while you're in a virtual classroom can be a distraction, not only to you, but to your teacher and to your classmates too. Don't worry, your teacher will have scheduled snack breaks. So make sure you eat before you come on the computer. Be organized and prepared. You should avoid, so don't get up and leave your classroom session. Having a water bottle nearby is a great idea in case you get thirsty. Make sure you have all the school supplies that your teacher told you to have in close reach as well. And the biggest thing of all, are you ready? Don't forget to go potty before you join your virtual class. But for real, make sure you go to the bathroom before you join the virtual class. Look at him. Oh my goodness, so silly. Find a good place to sit. You might want to sit on the floor or the couch, but this can get uncomfortable. When you're uncomfortable, you move around a lot. Try sitting on a chair. This will help you stay upright and focused. If you don't have a desk chair, a dining room chair works too. See how they're sitting at the table? Create a quiet space. This says quiet zone. Shh. A place with few distractions makes learning easier. And look behind you. Teachers and other students can see what is in the background of your computer camera, so make sure it's appropriate. So make sure the TV is off and the radio's off. Now look around you. Make sure all your toys are put away so that you don't want to play with them. Make sure all the food is out of reach, and make sure all the pets are in another room. Always try to be on time. When you are on time, it shows respect for your teacher and it shows that you're responsible. Sometimes there can be technical problems. That means our computer doesn't work. So always try to join a virtual class 5 minutes early. This way, a grown-up can make sure your computer is fully charged, your camera works, and your microphone is muted. Now you are ready to learn. You will be able to learn the best When your eyes are watching, your ears are listening, your mouth is quiet, and your body is upright and not slouching. Make sure your hands are relaxed too. When you have something to say, make sure you raise your hand and wait your turn. See how I have my hand right by my face? If it's up high, we can't really see it. That's why I have you put it right by your face. Also, be sure your microphone is turned on so your teacher and classmates can hear you. Wow, you are both working so hard. I hope I've helped make this experience a little easier. I can't wait to see how much you learn and how much fun you will have with online learning. Bye, friends!